Hi guys, today we are going to do scan in the network to find what are the live hosts are available in the network and what is the MAC ID of that device and how many devices are available and what are the device it is and which company device it is from. So these all things we are going to learn today in this session. This is the session scanning networks and we are the part 5. So now we are going to do the scanning through Netdiscover. First of all, I want to say that what is Netdiscover? Netdiscover is a simple ARP scanner which can be used to scan for live host. Means ARP scanner means address resolution protocol scanner which catch the which IP is available in the router, which packet is routing in the router. From there it will catch the which system is in the live and what is the MAC ID and which company the system. Everything it will take from the router, and it can scan for multiple subnets also. It can simply produce the output in a live display. So this can be used in the first phase of pen testing. It means whenever we are going to do the penetration testing in the organization, first phase in the scanning of the network. Now previously we have seen the how to do the footprinting. It means how many systems are there and what is the security posture of the organization in the footprinting part. Now this is the after entering the organization, you have to do the scanning. How to do the scanning? This is a method today we are going to learn. So here we can do some simple methods to find what are the available devices are there. For that I am going to use Netdiscover tool. Just I am going to do the practical. Netdiscover. Just type the Netdiscover, and before that I am going to show some commands of the Netdiscover. These are the commands of the Netdiscover which is very useful for the users to scan the devices in the network. So first command is -i. -i is nothing but device your network device. It means interface name, what interface you are using, what is your interface. It means ETS0 belongs to the your interface, or if you are in the network it is in the ETS0. If you are using the Wi-Fi it may be the VLAN 0. It means it belongs to the wireless network, so your interface will be changing. Let's see what is my interface. I have config. My interface is ETS0. So this is about the -i. -i means interface device your network device. It means it is telling about the interface related part, and -r belongs to the range. What are the range do you want to scan? It means if you have the range of subnetting, if you have the multiple ranges, it will do the multiple ranges in the network, and it will find the ranges range IPs which is available or which host is live in the present, and what is that host name and what is the MAC ID of that host. It will tell in that range. So -l means the file which can be scanned through the whatever the list you have provided. In that list it will do the scan automatically. And -p means passive mode. It means we do not use that much in the passive mode. And -m means file. These after that whatever the commands capital F, -s and other commands, whatever it is there. As my knowledge, I am not using these all things presently because I will only use -i or -r, because these are the things we use. This is a basic scanning method in the network. We are not doing the perfect scanning in the network. Basic scanning method means we will find what are the available networks in the network. If sometimes it will not show which is available in the network, it will show only the some live host, and it will miss the other live host. It means there is 60 live hosts is available in the network, and but it will show only 40 or 50 networks. What about the other 10 live hosts? For that we are going to do the nmap scan, and we have to analyze the Netdiscover results and nmap results, and then we have to finalization. We have to do that these many hosts are available in the network and these many systems are there, and this is these are the MAC address, and these are the system names and this device name. So these are things we will find through the network scanning. So now we are going to do the basic scan through the Netdiscover. So first of all I am going to do Control L. The basic scan I am going to do Netdiscover. How many devices are available in my network. hyphen I means interface name. What is my interface? ETH0. Just I am going to enter. This is a simple method. Just you have to enter. It will show what are the IP addresses are available in your network. It will give the live host details. See, I have the live host. It is available. Netgear. It is my router, and that MAC ID belongs to my router, and IP address I have given 192.168.1.1, and the another one is my Dell operating system which is running in the Kali, and my another host is HP which is using presently, and this IP is 168.1.168. These are the things it is giving. So this is it is going to scan again. It means it is continuously scanning here. You can see here 56. It will go to the 57. It will take that. Just see. It will change 50, 59, 60. You can see here 63, 64, 66. It is doing scan. Is available or not? This IP is available or not? It is checking about the routing table. Is these IPs are available or not? So whatever the IPs it will cache, it will give the results. We have to wait for the 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will find that these are the IPs are here, and we are able to find these IPs, and these IPs MAC address, and these are these company devices, and this much information we will get. It means if you enter the organization, first you have to connect that network, and then you have to do the scan. So while doing the scan, you are able to find how many networks are available presently. So this is one method to find the live host. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, please comment me, and please follow my tutorial continuously, because it is going to be a series of ethical hacking, and then it is going to be a series of black hat methods which the hackers used in the real time, and then we are studying that how to prevent those methods real time. So these are the things we are going to cover here. Please keep watching my channel, and thank you.